Calaveras Dam Replacement Project contributes to about 40% of our local sources, and we have a big mission to help to deliver water to 2.7 million customers in the Bay Area.
It's one of the most important projects from both a water supply and a delivery reliability standpoint. But the project is really driven by seismic reliability. This new dam that we have is designed to withstand the maximum credible earthquake of 7.25 magnitude on the Calaveras Fault, which is only about 1,000 feet from the dam itself. When we started this project, we knew that we wanted to get world-class teams, and construction management was no exception. Black & Veatch put together a great team and really did a tremendous job providing the leadership to get everybody on the same page and move the project forward in a productive way.
There's a lot of coordination because Calaveras Reservoir remained in operation throughout the dam construction. We worked with the contractor to keep things going and come up with solutions to challenges and turn them into opportunities for a successful project.
I think the lesson a lot of us learned during this project is the importance of teamwork. I think that's going to be the legacy of this project.